Students, next we are going to enter the second question. That is, here you are going to form equations from the statements given. Let's see. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Students, just pay attention here. You are only forming the quadratic equations here. I am not teaching you how to solve at this point of time. Just read the question and form quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. As a 10th student, it is necessary for you to know how to find the area of a rectangular plot. It is length into breadth. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. The length of the plot is L equal to 1 more than 1 plus twice its breadth, 2 into B. Breadth of the rectangular plot is X. Length is 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 meter. This M stands for meter. Okay, don't take it as variable. It is 2x plus 1 meter. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth, in your question it is given that it is 528 meters square. Length you took it as 2x plus 1. Breadth you took it as x. So what is the answer? 2x plus 1 into x. X into 2x, 2x square. X into 1, x. So what is the quadratic equation? 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Therefore, the length and breadth of plot satisfies the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. We'll stop it here. That is, you have formed the quadratic equations from the given question. Let's see the next question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product of two consecutive positive integers. Students, from standard 8 you are learning how to take consecutive integers as variables. It is x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, so on. So here you are talking about only two consecutive positive integers. So the first number you can take it as x. So the next consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1. Product. What is product? Product is multiplication. So when you multiply two consecutive positive integers, you are getting 306. So you can mathematically write it as x into x plus 1 equal to 306. X into x plus 1, you can expand it as x square plus x equal to 306. I am taking 306 to the left hand side. So I can write it as x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Therefore, the two integers, which are the integers we took, x and x plus 1, satisfies the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Students, don't forget to write this equal to 0. If you write equal to 0, then only we can say that it is a quadratic equation. So in this question, what are the two important points? Two consecutive positive integers. You will take it as x and x plus 1. And product. Product means multiplication. Let's go to the next question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So who are the two characters here? Rohan and Rohan's mother. If we take Rohan's age as x, what will you write it for Rohan's mother? She will be x plus 26. Y plus older. So, x is Rohan's age and x plus 26 is his mother's age. The product of their ages 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. What will happen to Rohan's age after 3 years? It will become x plus 3. What is the present age of his mother? It is x plus 26. What will happen after 3 years? It becomes x plus 26 plus 3. Finally, we will get x plus 29. Correct? Now, what is the relationship given? The product of their ages after 3 years will be equal to 360. Product of their ages after 3 years. What will you multiply? You will multiply x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Students, don't stop it here. Remove the bracket and show what is the exact quadratic equation. Here you can see this is the exact quadratic equation. X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which satisfies this question. Now, a question here is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km/h less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Which is the quantity you have to find here? It is the speed of the train. So let us take the speed of the train as x km/h. Time taken to travel 480 km. It is, students, we are using the concept of speed, distance and time from physics here. So 480 divided by x km/h. Where is it coming from? Here you have the relation speed into time equal to distance. So time is distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. As per the second condition, what is the second condition? If the speed had been 8 km less. So if now the speed is x, if you are reducing it by 8 km/h, that means x minus 8. So as per the second condition, the speed of the train is x minus 8 km/h. What will happen to the time? Time increases by 3 hours. Time increases by 3 hours. What was the first time? 480 by x. So it increases by 3 hours. How can I write it? Time taken to travel 480 km in the second condition is 480 by x plus 3. As we know, speed into time equal to distance. Here we can equate both the sides. X minus 8 into 480 by x plus 3 equal to 480. This x minus 8 into 480 plus 3x by x. Students, don't think too much. Here just I took the LCM. Here x is only for 480. So if I want to take it for 3 also, I just took the LCM as x and multiplied x with 3. 480 plus 3x, the whole divided by x. So what is the difference here? X was only for 480. Here x is for the whole term. What was the difference? Here it became 3x. 480 plus 3x by x. Now This is multiplication. So I took this divided by x to the other side. So it became 480x. Expanding the bracket, I got 480x plus 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x equal to 480x. Simplifying, I'll get 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. Then how did I get this final equation? I took out 3 from this. Here you can see 3 is a common term. So I divided the whole equation using 3. So the final equation which I got is x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. That is the final quadratic equation which satisfies the condition given in your question. By this, we come to an end of today's session. So what did you study today? You studied how to check whether the given statement is a quadratic equation. Read the problem, analyze it and convert the statements given there into a quadratic equation and represent it. Today we didn't learn how to solve the quadratic equation. The next day we will solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. Thank you.